DJI is set to unveil its latest action camera, the Osmo Action 5 Pro, and the buzz around it is building excitement. Known for being a strong competitor to GoPro, DJI's Osmo Action lineup has traditionally lacked some features that gave GoPro the edge. However, this is about to change with the introduction of the Pro model. Whenever DJI has released a Pro model in its drone lineup, significant upgrades have justified the name. So, what can we expect from the Osmo Action 5 Pro that might make it the best action camera on the market? The excitement began with a tweet from Igor Bogdonoff, hinting at an intriguing new product from DJI, beyond their usual drones. This was later confirmed by another tweet from Osita LV, which mentioned the Osmo Action 5 Pro and shared an FCC listing ID. The appearance of the device on the FCC website indicates that the camera's release is imminent. Given that DJI launched the Osmo Action 4 last August, ahead of GoPro's schedule, it seems likely that the Osmo Action 5 Pro will follow a similar timeline, with a release expected in the second week of August. Rumors suggest that DJI might unveil two variants this time, a base model and an upgraded Pro version. To compete with the GoPro Hero 12, the Osmo Action 5 Pro needs substantial improvements, starting with a larger sensor for better overall performance. The Osmo Action series has already resolved overheating issues that plagued GoPro cameras, which disrupted their performance. Now, DJI is aiming to surpass GoPro in resolution, potentially featuring the same 1-inch sensor seen in the Osmo Pocket 3. This larger sensor could enable the Osmo Action 5 Pro to shoot 5K videos at up to 60 frames per second, significantly enhancing image quality, especially in low-light conditions. Low-light performance has been a weak point for action cameras, but the larger sensor and improved image processing seen in the Pocket 3 offer hope for significant improvements. Despite these changes, the design of the Osmo Action 5 Pro is expected to remain similar to its predecessor, with a robust square-shaped body and touch displays on both sides. Additionally, seamless connectivity with wireless microphones would be a valuable feature for filming, as the built-in microphone is not particularly effective at canceling background noise. A high-quality external microphone is essential for capturing clear audio, and if DJI aims to label this camera as Pro, it needs to include professional-level features. In short, while GoPro currently offers sharper image quality and a comprehensive action camera experience, the enhancements expected in the Osmo Action 5 Pro could potentially elevate DJI's standing in the market. Do you think the Pro label will make a significant difference? And will DJI finally surpass GoPro? Share your thoughts in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for the latest tech news.